Georgia. This is so pretty. Let's go out and explore. Snowfall experience. Dogs, you remember? It's cold. Hi everyone, as you know, I came to Georgia this winter to enjoy the snowy mountains and spend some peaceful time in this beautiful quiet world. It was the perfect decision. In my last video, I arrived at Kutaisi airport and took a road trip by taxi to Mestia. I am staying at this lovely place called Hills Islands Mestia, a wooden cottage surrounded by snow. Now I am ready to relax and explore this beautiful winter wonderland. It snowed all day and night here, and by morning everything was covered in a thick white blanket of snow. It was so beautiful, like a winter dream. I bundled up in warm clothes because I feel cold so easily. Then I decided to walk to Mestia town, which is about 20 minutes from my cottage. As I walked, I enjoyed the amazing views, played with mountain dogs, and dreamt about all the tasty food I was going to eat. We are in Mestia in Georgia. This is so pretty. So let me tell you something very interesting, that the Georgia celebrates Christmas on 7th of January. So it's a complete Christmas vibe, New Year vibe, and it's totally nice. So let's go to the city center. What do you think? Oh, now they are here again. Okay, let's go out and explore.
I have a secret I promise to keep, but I need to tell you before I can sleep. Michael.
Very good boots for the snow, which we got from Decathlon, but still, if a car passes by or something, it becomes more slippery, so you have to be careful. Okay. Saw that while coming to this place. So there are a lot of restaurants and cafes, and actually there are a lot of hotels as well. So we are going there for brunch because we missed the breakfast. So it's going to be breakfast and lunch, and we have to get something for the doggos as well. You see them, they are like haha. So, and also it's a good time to go out, be in the snow. This is not like a typical touristy place. This is still secluded. It's so beautiful. This is a snowfall experience I dreamt of, I don't know, all my life. Yes, I always used to watch winter movies, and look, here we are. I'm really hungry, by the way. So we are going to get some really good food. Come on. He is always trying local dishes. For me, I really want to have a hot chocolate, like really hot chocolate while enjoying this snow. Look at it. Let me show you around. This was my first time in Mestia town, and I wasn't sure where to eat. I searched on Google Maps, found a good restaurant, and called them before heading over. Having a local SIM card is really helpful here. Okay, I'm now really tired, already exhausted after walking and playing in the snow for a while, and I am now looking for a place to have good food. Let's see. The restaurant was cozy with a family-like atmosphere, exactly what I wanted. I ordered lots of food, trying all the famous dishes. The owner was even barbecuing outside. Barbecue is quite famous here. We tried pork barbecue mostly in many of the places, and it's really nice. Finally, some cozy cafe and time to eat lunch. or breakfast, whatever you say. So we are in Cafe Panorama. You have to explain a bit what you want, but everybody understands English more or less. But we decided to go for chicken. No, I think fish for me, and pork for Anki, pork barbecue, one chicken. That is trout. No chicken. Fish, trout fish with walnuts wrapped in foil, and we are taking some Georgian soup as well. How can we miss that? It's snowing outside, and I'm not really sure what is this. Probably some apple juice or something like that. Very fresh. We are gonna try that as well. It's so good. Yours? This one is the pork barbecue. Okay, that's for Anki today, and I'm going to enjoy my fish. I enjoyed the food with some wine, and it was a perfect meal for a snowy day. Before heading back, I packed some food for the dogs at the cottage and also for my evening meal, so I wouldn't need to go out again. What? You want to jump like this? Come this side.
Hey, Ali, head out.
Completely destroyed. My god. Okay, we had a very good lunch, and then we packed few items as well for evening in case we are not able to go out. We are staying in a property named Hill Silence in Mestia in Georgia. This is all about that winter wonderland and staying in a cozy, comfortable space. So come inside as I give you a property tour. So this is the main entrance, and when you come inside, this is a cozy space and perfect if you are visiting with your family, friends and colleagues. I don't know. So this is the fireplace here, and I'm really excited about this one. And here all of you can sit and enjoy the view of the mountains, snow, and that is the balcony outside, in case anyone wants to sit outside. And then this is the kitchen area, the fridge, and as well as the washing area. The utensils are already given. And this is the bathroom. The best part is that you have a bathtub with a view of the mountains. And let's go to the first floor where we have the bedroom, as well as there is a balcony. So, on one side here, we have the bedroom. Oh my god. And I know it's going to snow. It's going to be lovely. The cozy sleeping space in the mountains. Yes, and you have the heater as well here. And there is a second room where there are 3 beds. Well, we did not need it, so we did not use it. But in case you are visiting with your family, and fairy tale place indeed, isn't it? So would you wish to experience Georgia during winter time? Oh my god, I can come back again and again. Busy day, it was time to relax. The evening plan? Light up the fireplace, add fresh wood, get cozy with some wine, and enjoy the view from the cottage. It's so peaceful here with the snow outside and the warmth of the fire inside. It is not only the snow outside, it is how comfortable and cozy you feel inside as well when you are traveling with your loved ones or you are traveling solo, whatever. So right now I'm enjoying in front of the fireplace. It's really cozy and warm, and I'm taking a sip of wine as I enjoy this view of mountains and snow outside. Now it's time to just enjoy the serenity and be in the moment. Cheers. The snowfall has stopped and I'm enjoying a good weather. It's very cold, by the way. I'm enjoying the cold season. After lunch, I came back to the room. I took rest for a couple of hours. Only thing that you might need to keep in mind is that you will need to walk to the restaurant area or to a cafe, to a supermarket, or if you have a car with you, then you can drive all around. But we prefer to walk this time and explore the town while walking and just playing in the snow. And that was beautiful. I'm quite tired and I'm hungry once again. And I think I have some interesting plans for the evening. Let me show you. I set up outside with my wine while waiting for the jacuzzi and sauna to heat up. It takes about 3 hours to get everything ready, but it's worth it. So there is also sauna and jacuzzi, and we challenged ourselves that we are gonna do this in this freezing temperature. And I'm still not sure it was a right idea or not. But let's do this. Let's take the leap. Shall we? Let's go. Once you get inside, it's not that bad. Oh. The hot jacuzzi was so soothing after all the walking I did. Afterwards, I spent some peaceful time in the sauna to warm up completely. It was such a relaxing way to end the day. That was not that scary, but I really wished we would have done it in the afternoon to enjoy the view in the background. And now it's time for sauna. This is so relaxing. I was thinking whether I should do this or totally skip the idea. But this is like taking out all the stress, all the fatigue. I'm ready for 2025. The next day, it was time to check out, and honestly, I didn't want to leave this magical
bye-bye,
place.
doggo. Bye-bye. Say bye to him. Okay, bye-bye. Bye. Oh, say bye to him.
Unfortunately, we'll have to say goodbye to the space. It was lovely. It was lovely. But there is more to explore. Today, I'm heading to the center of Mestia town to stay at another amazing place. The plan is to explore more food places and visit Huts Valley Ski Resort, which has a cable car that looks super exciting. Stay tuned for the next part of my journey. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this little winter adventure at Hills Islands Mestia. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel stories. See you in the next video. Okay, no. Hotel?
Yes, that one.
That one? And where are these dogs going?
With me.
This is what happens. I'm just carefully walking.